So my neighbor says, "Nice shoes," and my brain just freezes. Completely freezes. I'm standing there in the elevator, 4 floors to go, trying to build the perfect sentence in my head. And what comes out? One word. One single word that ruined everything. Welcome to English Talks. I'm Ben. With me, as always, Zoe.
Hey everyone! So Ben, you froze in an elevator?
Completely froze.
Okay, so here's the thing. There's a tiny mindset shift that fixes this forever. I'll give it to you in 1 minute. But what's wild is why it works. Once you see it, you'll never freeze in a small chat again. Promise.
Okay, so picture this. Tuesday morning, 8:30, I'm in the elevator with my coffee. Door opens, my neighbor walks in. Sarah, lovely woman, mid-50s, always smiling.
Wait, you actually know her name?
Barely. We've said hi maybe 10 times. So she gets in, looks down at my feet, and goes, "Oh, nice shoes."
Oh no. Oh, Ben, I see where this is going.
You don't even know yet.
I have a feeling.
So my brain hears "nice shoes" and immediately starts running, like full panic mode. I'm thinking, okay, do I say thank you? Too short. Do I tell her where I bought them? What's the past tense again? Is it I buyed or I bought?
Oh no, you're conjugating in the elevator?
I'm conjugating in the elevator, Zoe. And meanwhile, she's just standing there, smiling, waiting. 3 seconds pass, 4 seconds, 5 seconds.
5 seconds is forever in an elevator.
It's a lifetime. And finally, my mouth opens and I say, yes.
Yes?
Just yes, like a robot, like a broken robot. And then, and this is the worst part, I just stared at the floor until the door opened and I basically ran out.
Oh, Ben.
And honestly, I've replayed that moment maybe 100 times because I knew the words. I had them. I just couldn't get them out.
Okay, Ben, here's what I figured out, and it changed everything for me when I was learning French in Paris.
Tell me.
A conversation is not a test. It's a tennis match.
A tennis match?
Someone hits the ball to you. You don't need a perfect shot. You just need to hit it back. Hit it back with a softener.
What's a softener?
A tiny phrase that buys you time and feels warm. Like, thanks, got them on sale. How are you?
Oh, that's it?
That's it.
Okay, wait, hold on. So let me get this. So when Sarah said nice shoes, instead of building a perfect sentence in my head,
You just hit the ball back. Thanks, got them on sale. Done. Then you pass the ball. How are you? Now she has to talk.
so she does the work.
She does the work. That's the whole secret. You don't have to carry the conversation. You just keep the ball moving.
So what you're saying is, I've been playing chess when I should be playing ping pong.
Exactly. You've been treating every English conversation like the final exam. Grammar perfect, vocabulary fancy. Nobody cares.
Wow, brutal.
No, but really, think about it. When your friend at home compliments your shirt, do you build the perfect sentence? Of course not. You go, "Oh, thanks. Got it last week." That's it. English works the same way.
Yeah, but in my own language, it's automatic. In English, my brain switches to exam mode.
That's the real problem right there. Exam mode. You're carrying years of school stress into every chat. Teachers grading you, tests, red pens.
Honestly, I just don't feel like a real version of myself in English yet.
Well, I get it. I really do. When I lived in Paris, the first 6 months, I sounded like a stiff little robot. Then one day, my flatmate's mom complimented my dress, and I just said, "Merci, je l'aime bien aussi." Thanks, I like it too. And she laughed, and I realized she didn't care that my grammar was simple. She cared that I was friendly.
So warmth beats grammar.
Warmth beats grammar every single time. Actually, that reminds me of something my Aussie friend in Sydney told me. He said, in English, conversation is sport. You don't win, you just play.
Sport. I like that.
So, let's play. Let me toss you a few balls. Real elevator stuff.
Okay, hit me.
Oh, I love your jacket.
Thanks. Got it last winter. How's your week going?
Yes, look at that. 3 beats. Hit, soften, pass.
Hit, soften, pass.
3 beats. That's the rhythm of every small chat in English.
I'm keeping that one.
So here's the thing about the softener. You only need a tiny library, 3 or 4 phrases, that's it. And in real life, nobody says them slowly. They run together.
What do you mean, run together?
In real speech, got them on sale doesn't sound like 4 words. It sounds like got 'em on sale. The th in them almost disappears.
Got 'em on sale. Got it.
And how are you? Nobody says that fully. It sounds like how are ya? Or even just how ya?
How ya? That sounds rude in my head.
I know, but it's not. It's just real. Okay, new ball. What if your colleague says, hey, great presentation today?
Thanks. Glad it went okay. How was your meeting?
Beautiful. Glad it went okay. That's a softener. It's casual, it's warm, it doesn't claim too much. And then, how was your meeting? Pass.
Wait, glad it went okay is softer than thank you so much?
In casual work talk, way better. Thank you so much sounds like you got an award. Glad it went okay sounds like a normal human.
So too much politeness can sound weird?
Too perfect sounds like you're scared. Casual sounds like you belong.
Casual sounds like you belong. Okay, quick question for you watching. What's the most awkward elevator silence you've ever had? Tell me in the comments. I need to feel less alone with my yes disaster.
Okay, 3 levels now. Same compliment, 3 different settings.
Let's go.
Your best friend says, cool shoes. What do you say?
Ha, thanks. Cheapest chips.
Ha, look at you with the British slang.
I'm trying.
Now, your neighbor in the elevator, someone you barely know.
Oh, thanks. Got them on sale. How are you?
Perfect. Friendly, but not too close.
And formal?
Imagine a client at work says, I love your shoes.
Oh, thank you. That's kind of you to say. How was your trip?
Yes, that's kind of you to say. That's the polite softener. Still warm, still passes the ball, but feels grown up.
So the softener changes by level, but the structure is the same. Hit, soften, pass.
Hit, soften, pass. Always 3 beats, just different shoes, different words.
So basically, my brain has been trying to write a 5-paragraph essay every time someone says hi.
Yes, and meanwhile, they just want to say hi back.
Imagine writing essays in a tennis match.
You'd lose every point. Okay, one more situation, and this is where I see learners freeze the most, the how are you question.
Oh, God. How are you? Yeah.
What did they teach you in school?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Classic. And nobody says that.
Nobody?
Nobody. In real life, it's, yeah, not bad, you? Or pretty good, you? Or even just good, you?
Yeah, not bad. You?
Yes. Hit it back, soften with yeah, pass with you.
So yeah is a softener.
Yeah is the king of softeners. It buys you half a second. It sounds warm. It costs nothing. In London, in New York, in Sydney, everyone uses yeah to start a casual answer. It's the universal warmer-upper.
So all those years I thought yeah was lazy English.
It's not lazy, it's natural. There's a difference.
Okay, I'm keeping that one.
And here's the deeper thing, Ben. The freeze you had in the elevator, it's not about your English level. It's about the script in your head.
What do you mean?
You walked into that elevator with one script. Don't make a mistake. That's exam mode. What if you walked in with a different script? Just play tennis. Hit, soften, pass.
Aha! Oh, wow. So the mindset comes before the words.
The mindset comes before the words, always. If your head is in exam mode, your mouth freezes. If your head is in tennis mode, your mouth plays.
That's actually really comforting.
It's freeing, right? You don't have to be perfect, you just have to play. Okay, let me toss you 3 more, fast, real-life situations.
Bring it.
Your colleague says, "I like your haircut."
Oh, thanks. Got it last weekend. How's your day?
Yes. Your friend at a cafe says, "This place is great, right?"
Yeah, not bad. Have you tried their coffee?
Beautiful, pass to her. Your flatmate says, "Long day?"
Yeah, pretty long. You?
Hit, soften, pass. You've got it.
Okay, let me try the elevator scene again. Sarah says, "Nice shoes." And I say,
Go.
"Oh, thanks. Got them on sale. How are you?"
3 floors saved. Quick, what was the king of softeners? 1 word. That's right, yeah.
Yeah, so simple.
So simple.
Oh, and if you want to practice all this, there's a little guide with the transcript and some exercises in the first comment. Grab it. Honestly, it helped me stop freezing.
Okay, quick fire. 5 sentences, real-life rhythm.
Let's go. Yeah, not bad. How about you? Anything new this week? That's how a real "how are you" sounds.
Oh, thanks. Got them on sale. How are you? That's the elevator move. Hit, soften, pass.
Glad it went okay. How was your meeting? That's the polite version for clients or someone older.
Quick, what's the warm, one-word softener we use everywhere? That's right, yeah. Use it like punctuation.
That's kind of you to say. How was your trip? That's the polite version for clients or someone older.
Cheap as chips, honestly. Where'd you get yours? That's the casual British move. Flip the ball back to them.
Yeah, pretty long day. You? 2 words and a softener. That's a whole conversation. Okay, so I want to know, what's the worst freeze you've ever had in English? Like a moment where your brain just stopped and one weird word came out. I shared mine. Your turn. Comments are open. I'll read every one.
We'll laugh together, promise.
See you in the next one.